The Interactive Console is a touchscreen console that is used in small to mid-sized organizations. It helps to streamline the daily communications within those organizations.
It makes day-to-day operations around your facility very easy to do. Paging. You can set up buttons that allow you to page different areas of your facility. You don't have to worry about dial codes and things like that. Very simple device to use. You can receive intercom calls. So if you have that door station at your loading dock or at a remote gate, a driver pulls up and hits the button. It can ring into this device and you can buzz them in or open the gate for them. It gives you those day-to-day capabilities that would typically be done through your phone system and still could be done through your phone system, but it really makes it very easy and very interactive for the user. So it requires very little training. It's a very simple device to use. You can walk up to it and pretty much figure out how to use it. The capabilities of the Interactive Console make it perfect for that day-to-day communications. I can do paging, I can do intercom, I can even do some very simple scheduling of different audio and text files I want to send around. There's another capability that the Interactive Console has that is often more important than those things, which is what we call light mass notification. Emergencies can come in a few different varieties. There are emergencies that we're going to handle through live paging. We're going to come off hook on the phone and we're going to say, hey, here's an issue that's going on and here's how you need to respond. But there are other emergencies where it makes that very difficult to do. That person at the front desk is in harm's way. We need to be able to send out a notification audibly and visually and maybe have that notification repeat over and over and over again. So instead of just a single live page, maybe we want to take the words that the people under our care need to hear to save themselves and just keep repeating that to make sure we get that message across, make sure we push that out through as many means as possible.
It simplifies the first step in an emergency, and that is alerting people within your organization to a situation that is about to unfold. With that one button push, you are able to send that one message to all of these endpoints without having to do them separately. So you don't have to send a desktop alert or a live announcement. All of that is taken care of with that one button push.
The Interactive Console is an IP device, so it does connect to your network. It's a power over Ethernet device. It can be powered right from your network or locally powered. But we send out these audible and visual signals over your network to Valcom IP devices. So you've got the ability to drop in Valcom IP speakers, Valcom IP signs. You've got now the ability to reach out over your network and communicate to these devices and communicate in a more sophisticated way. This also completely eliminates distance. By utilizing your network to pass these audible and visual notifications around, we can send notifications to your facility that's across the street, across town, or across the country even. Along with Valcom IP speakers and horns and visual displays, we also have Valcom IP gateways. Gateways are interesting because they allow us to integrate with a lot of different things. You may have an existing analog paging system. We can drop in an IP gateway and connect it to that existing analog paging system. And now you can utilize the Interactive Console for everything that we talked about. Day-to-day audio paging. You can use it for that light mass notification that we talked about. You can use it for those shift change bells. Just by utilizing audio gateways, you can greatly enhance the communications around your facility.